how do you find Miss Universe Philippines? I think she's absolutely gorgeous. She's stunning, and I cannot wait to meet her. Congratulations to her. And I say hi to all my Filipino fans, of course. Hi, all the Filipino fans. I've been reading all your DMs and comments. I want to say thank you so much for your support for your neighboring country. You're all very, very sweet, and I'm so grateful and appreciative. I've never been to the Philippines. It's actually on my bucket list. I really want to visit there. Your Miss Universe, Rachel Peters, I actually went to the same school as her back in Phuket, and she always posts pictures on the beach and on like different islands, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait to go there. I'm gonna make it a point to go there as soon as the COVID situation is under control, for sure. But you guys should recommend me where I should go visit. I'm an island girl, so I love different beaches. I like to scuba dive.
Amanda Ogdam was recently quoted on national television in Thailand that if ever she'll be in top 2 in Miss Universe, gusto daw niya si Miss Philippines na makasama. At ikaw na yun. So, how do you feel about it? Na parang Miss Thailand, our neighboring country, wants you to be her fellow girl in the final dying moments of the pageant.
Oo nga. You know what, Adam? We follow each other na sa IG. Yes. And, syempre, you know, we're Asians, and gusto din natin ma-maintain na may Asian dapat sa top 5.
Always.
So it's gonna be an exciting competition after all. And I want to know her. I want to talk to her kasi napakaganda niya and napakagaling na din magsalita. So hopefully, and Adam, share ko lang ha, si Vina din, nag-message sa akin.
Excited ko siya kay Vina.
Talaga.
Napakabait niya.
Miss Universe Thailand,